Wow, my love, but it's beautiful here, huh?
Ooh, very
Jeez,
nice.
look at this. And welcome in Hoekville.
Yeah.
Hoekville in wilderness.
My goodness.
It was a long drive, but we made it.
And I feel
Mama, what is going on
naughty.
here?
I feel so naughty this weekend.
And when you're naughty, I better take my chances.
Oh my goodness.
My love, you're at the right place. Look at this. Your fantasy starts here.
Oh my
see?
goodness.
Fantasy check-in. Ooh.
Let's go check in, Annie.
Mama, you lead the way.
Let me lead the
But
way.
while we're walking down this lovely wooden path, let's just tell them where we are.
Yeah,
we're
what
in Hoekville.
a nice place at Naughty by Nature.
Naughty by nature.
Yeah,
Naughty.
Annie,
It's a beautiful place, but I want to show them as you come around here.
Yeah, reveal.
John, just look at this. This place is ridiculous. And just look at this beautiful green scenery here. Huh?
Nice.
Everything is just so green.
I can't just wait to get inside.
Me neither. But I've lit the hot tub, so
Yeah.
it's smoking at the moment.
Woo.
You see there? I think it was raining about 10 minutes ago, so I think the wood is a little bit wet.
Yeah, and where
But
did you
look
get the
at
wood?
This.
Godwood, sure we do.
Look at this place, people. This is so amazing. Yo. God
But-
would. Sure we do, yeah. Aman, I see there's paddle boards that you can use.
Paddleboards, kayaks, and on
And
this
just
beautiful
look at
dam.
this dam. Just
Yeah.
look at it. It's a pity it's dark again. It's cloudy, but maybe tomorrow it'll be better.
Yes, and this
Yo.
is a nice pergola where you could sit. I see lights hanging there.
Yeah.
But with this heavy
With the
rain,
storm, it's flooded.
a
Yeah.
little bit.
Yeah.
of,
But it's all right.
damage.
Maybe if the sun comes out tomorrow, we can do a paddle board. Huh?
Yeah, I want to try.
I know you want
But
to.
I'm too scared to fall into the cold water.
Mama, lead the way.
This
Lead
is
us in.
just so idyllic.
It's beautiful. I
Hey?
love the garden. I love everything about this.
Yeah,
huh?
it's so nice.
I love the black house at the back
Yes, with a colourful.
and the black pots. Everything just fits.
Very nice. This
So
is
nice.
a very interesting place, people. You must pay attention. First, subscribe, please, and then come watch this beautiful place.
Yeah, it's crazy. So we start here with the outdoor area.
Yeah. So when
Look at
it's
this.
nice and sunny,
Wow.
you can just have a nice relaxing time
Hopefully
here.
that's going to be tomorrow.
For sundowners.
Yeah. He's a
Sit
nurse.
here,
He's a nurse.
have a nice view over the
dam.
dam. And then
But I just love everything
nice.
here. Look at all these nice paving and all the greenery between. And,
yeah,
and
leading you up to this
Yeah.
magnificent house.
And it's like a vetplant paradise. Huh?
Min
And there the
water
sun comes
nodig.
out, Mama.
Lekker jou klere lente.
Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Yes, I love it.
So come.
Right, you with your feather tickler.
So if you come to this side, very nice, big
Yeah.
braai.
This is going to be the party place tonight.
Yeah, very nice, big braai, nice braai grit.
Mama,
Lots of wood.
this braai is a very interesting shape.
Yes,
Huh?
don't give it away.
Must I not give
don't
it away?
give it away. Can you guess?
Can you guess what this
Guess
braai...
what this braai,
Let me
the form of this braai.
take it from this side. Oh, it's difficult to see it like this.
Actually, from that side,
Yeah.
it's better.
But
Nudge, nudge, wink, wink.
this is
You will get the,
this is a man's braai.
get the tip. Yeah,
Inside.
we'll give you some tips when we're inside.
Yeah.
Yes.
Enough wood for a lekker braai.
Yes, a lot of wood.
Yeah, they gave us some wood for the wood fire hot tub as well.
Yes, and the hot tub is lit already.
Oh,
as
it's
you
smoking. I must
said.
just put that lid on.
Yeah.
Just lit it now. Now I've put the lid on, so now it looks like a train chimney.
Yeah,
Huh?
yeah.
The smoke is coming out at the
Toot,
top now.
toot.
So Mama, this is going to be the fun part tonight, where we're going to have a lekker BC wines. I'm looking
Nice.
forward to that.
Yeah.
The weather is perfect for a lekker. I brought us some champagne.
Oh, lekker. That's the
Lekker.
way to go.
Oh, lekker.
And this is where we're going to have some breakfast tomorrow.
Yeah,
And coffee
nice.
over the dam.
Just this dam is just
Very
ridiculous. This place is on such a perfect spot.
You
huh?
know, I like different stuff. And if you look at this decks,
Yeah.
it's all round circles, half circles. I
It's
love
very,
it.
very nice. And I like it that they've built up like almost like walls.
Like a fencing,
Look,
yeah.
on the sides, look at
Yeah.
this. So
So
it gives
you're
you
all on your own.
nice and privacy
Very
here.
private, yeah.
So nobody can check up on you.
Yeah, because in this place you can
Mama,
really
this
relax.
place is for couples to connect.
To connect.
This is a connecting place.
Yes. So if you've got a little bit of trouble at home, come here.
This place will sort your trouble out within
Forever.
10 minutes.
Well, and
10
forever,
minutes.
yeah.
We will show you now.
Okay, so come into Naughty by Nature.
Let's say. She was beautiful. Oh, wow. Wow, 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 wow. Huh? Jeez, I'm not going to show that side now.
No,
Let me
only
just do
this.
the kitchen.
Only the kitchen.
We will reveal the rest later.
Yes. Yeah, this is, I can already see, this is a very unique place. Look at the chair. Nothing is like normal.
Yeah.
It's just like outstanding.
Sure, yeah.
I love it.
It's like an oval. It's
Yeah.
almost like a mini couch.
Yes, very nice.
It's a bunkie.
Yeah, and then you've got a nice and big kitchen.
Very nice
Let's
and
see what's in there. That's the bin. Oh, nice.
You know,
yeah.
there's an air
There's
fryer.
an air fryer, toaster, all the
Jeez.
cutlery you need.
Okay, what is that? A
A
mixer?
snack witcher.
Oh, it's a snack witcher. I thought
Yeah.
it's a mixer.
No. And then all this side, let's see.
I hope there's a braaibak. Oh,
There's
lekker
brandy
glasses.
glasses.
Brandy glasses and
Yes.
wine glasses and champagne
And
glasses.
champagne glasses.
Lekker,
This
man.
place is sorted.
I'm telling you.
Okay, this is like for coffee,
Oh.
tea, black pepper, salt,
Oh, yeah.
milk,
And there's oils.
hot chocolate,
Okay.
marshmallows. Sorted.
Lekker.
Yeah.
Oh, look at the fruit bowl.
Oh, yes.
Apples and
Let's see what's in here.
lemoene,
Okay.
oranges.
So if you want Tupperware, you can use that.
Oh,
There's
there's
a
ice buckets at the back.
and the
There's a lot of-
champagne to put the
Oh, yeah, okay.
champagne in.
I brought a lot of ice. I
Yeah,
hope
there's
it's
a
still-
cocktail maker.
I hope my ice is still, it's not melted.
Oh, wow, nice.
Oh, here's the braai area.
Yeah.
There we go. That's the braaibakke and the pots and the pans.
Yeah, and the nice butcher's
Wooden
blocks and stuff.
Blocks, yeah, lekker.
Yeah,
Okay,
lekker.
cool.
And a big stove.
Jeez.
Oh, very
Mama,
big
you're
stove.
not
I'm gonna braai you tonight.
Yeah, well, you're not gonna cook food tonight. I will make the
Oh,
food.
maybe I'll roast you a bit.
I'll make the food tonight.
Then there's all the utensils. That is a speaker.
Oh, I brought mine as well.
Yeah,
Okay,
that's nice.
Okay.
No, this place is
I've
well.
got everything, yeah.
Yes.
I love, look at this nice wine.
Oh.
Fat bastard.
Fat bastard.
And it's
Oh,
on
goodness.
it. Look at that shoe.
Oh, yeah, no.
That will tell you everything.
Very
Huh?
sexy.
Yeah,
And
this
look
is
at the books
50
just
Shades
next
of
to
Grey.
it.
Oh my
Yeah,
word.
my
Lekker, lekker,
goodness.
lekker.
I
My
nearly,
love, you're in for a treat this weekend.
I see that.
Sure, and there's a nice big fridge freezer.
Yeah, no
Wow.
smoking, eh?
No smoking. We don't smoke. You know we
Yeah,
don't
I know,
smoke.
but I'm just telling you people.
I'm just checking.
Yeah. So if you open this, it's
Jeez.
a fully stocked,
Oh
like a bar.
my goodness.
And then they've got this mini bar thing here.
Okay, so it's a mini
also
bar.
Scan, yeah. There's chips, also chocolates that you
Wow.
can buy. You scan it. It's an honesty bar.
Okay.
So you scan it and then you pay.
Yeah, for whatever you take.
Yeah.
And the prices
the
there?
menu, the menu is on here.
Oh, the menu is going to be
Yeah.
on there. Okay. Oh, that's cool, huh?
Yeah.
Jeez.
Very nice.
This is a 5-star place, huh?
Yeah, yeah.
Jeez.
It is a luxury 5-star place.
And this one opens from that side.
That side, and they give you a lot of ice. Look at
Oh
that.
my goodness. I brought
There's
ice
some
as well.
ice there as well,
My love, I must
so-
go and get my ice.
Yeah.
There's ice. There's more ice.
Yeah.
Oh, yes. Okay.
Very nice.
I don't have to worry about ice.
And then also on this side they give you almond milk. So if you, I'm sure you can use the milk. And there's if the normal milk is in the cupboard we saw.
Okay.
Yeah.
Everything.
Everything you need. And everywhere in this house there's things like this. You can scan.
The QR codes.
This is scan to play our curated Spotify playlist. So they've
Oh,
already put
oh.
the playlist. You can scan
It's
it,
obviously a sexy playlist.
set the mood.
Just it. There we
Yeah.
go.
And then there's a. This is very.
But I just want to jump in here. We will not be able to play that playlist because we can't use that music on YouTube. So we're gonna have
on
to.
YouTube, man.
Yeah, no, sorry, but we're gonna have to use our own music.
Yes.
Yeah, we can do it when the camera is not rolling. We can play the music, but
Yeah.
otherwise we're gonna have to play our own music.
And then this is very. I want to do this. Essential treasure hunt through nature. Finish what the hunt starts. World's first sexy Treasure, download the app to start. So
you download the app from there.
and then it will show you wherever
It's like
you
a
are.
treasure hunt.
And I've got an idea because I see like red
Also saw that, yeah.
against trees.
Yes.
So I think it's got
That's
to do
interesting.
something with that.
That's
yeah.
very interesting.
I like surprises like that.
So we're gonna do a treasure hunt tomorrow.
Oh, nice.
Oh, lekker.
Yeah.
Come on then.
Okay.
Look at this beautiful place.
This is the sitting room. It's a big,
Jeez.
ginormous
This is
couch.
a massive couch, huh?
Ooh,
Jeez.
but everything
You
is
almost disappear there.
I disappear, yeah.
Yes.
Everything is so nice and stylish. There's games you can play. There's books you can read.
It's all sexy games. Well, not sexy games. It's games for couples to
Yes, games
just to
for couples.
connect again. Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice flowers.
In the middle of this whole thing, there's this huge
Massive bath.
Why?
Massive.
Because you do couples bath.
Yes.
Yeah.
This is for the couples.
Goodness, it's a spa
Jeez,
jet.
Mama, just get in there. I just want to show them.
Jets.
Because we're not going to film this when we're in here, but I just want to show you what the size of this. This is almost like a jacuzzi.
Yeah,
Huh?
it's a spa bath.
Spa bath.
Yeah, look at all
I see the jets, yeah.
Jets, sorry for my shoes. You don't get into a bath with shoes and clothes.
Jeez, this thing is big, huh? There's
That
more than
is
enough space for me.
Two, yeah, and you're with long legs. You
Yeah.
can sit your daddy long legs.
Lekker. Mama, we're going to do that tomorrow.
Yeah,
We
this
can't
is
do
gonna be
everything
nice.
today.
This
Huh?
is very nice. And then on this side,
You get all your...
you can light some candles.
Okay.
Nice, my magnolia, my favorite.
Okay.
And then
All the...
bubble bath and a lot of towels.
Jeez, yeah. And there's an aircon. It can heat as well for the winter months. Mama, look at this bed.
Wow, but I can't get on the bed.
Jeez, it's
You'll
high.
have to lift me up.
Wow.
Wow, what I'm gonna get.
And I'm sure you like the...
Oh,
Jeez, you like the wallpaper, huh?
I love it.
What is this, a mirror? Oh my goodness.
Jy moenie stout
Oh
wees nie.
my goodness.
Jy
Look
mag nie
at that.
stout wees nie.
My love, can't we get in bed now?
This
I want to
is
connect.
nice
I want to
touch.
connect with you.
I know, when we get home, you're going to put up some mirrors,
Yeah,
all
mirrors,
over the room.
definitely. We've got a whole wall of mirrors in our room, but now
Yeah.
we're going to do the ceiling as well.
And a bottle of water.
Jeez.
I wonder what this is.
Oh, I know.
What?
Mama, I'll show you later.
Is that when your legs get tired?
Yeah, I'll strap you tonight, baby. I'll
No,
strap
when
you.
your legs get tired, you just put it up like this.
So you can see right through this house, there's hints of sexiness.
Yeah.
So it's totally a place where you and your partner connects.
yeah.
Very, very nice.
Brings you closer to each other.
I like it, yeah.
Yeah.
Look at this
This is
interesting
nice
small
cabinets.
cabinets, yeah.
Yeah, this is nice.
Yeah.
It just don't close every. Is it
Yeah,
open
so it
plan?
feels bigger, yeah.
Yeah, look at this.
Wow.
Wow, there's a nice hair dryer.
Mirror.
There's like oorstokkies, allerlei goedjies hierso.
There's more games.
Yeah,
Sure, my love.
games.
This place is fancy, huh?
Very fancy. Listen.
Wow. Just listen to the weather. It's
Wow.
thundering.
This is a place. There's the towels for the swimming outside.
Okay. Not swimming,
The hot tub plunging around.
Sure, interesting artwork on the wall.
Yeah. Okay, so if you come to this side, you can also
I'm gonna just put the light on. Oh, daar's hy.
come in here. You can book a massage.
Wow.
So how special is
Couples
this?
massage.
Come in here. Beforehand, you book a couples massage. There's the ropes you put
Okay.
on. Very fancy.
Some nice wallpaper again, my love.
Very nice, very stylish.
So you must book this beforehand.
You can book it beforehand.
Before you come here.
Yes. Also, another thing is you can book a private chef
Oh,
that can make food for
I
you.
actually saw that, yeah.
Yeah.
And I just want to say,
Oh, this is beautiful.
Carol is the owner. And I'm telling you, she is so on it. I mean, since yesterday, we started, even 2 days ago, we started getting emails and WhatsApps and explaining everything. And you feel so comfortable when you get here because
Yeah,
she
you know
explained
everything.
already. Yeah. So
Yes.
it's very, very nice.
Yeah, very nice.
From this room, the massage room, you go upstairs.
Yes, you go upstairs to the bathroom.
Mama, don't turn left, turn right.
Which side's right? This side.
And there's some interesting paintings on the wall.
So this is the bathroom.
Oh, this is the toilet.
The toilet and a basin, yes.
Sure.
Very
Okay.
nice on its own.
Yeah, it's actually quite nice in here.
Yeah, very
Look at
nice.
those red lips at the back.
For kiss.
Oh, my love, we're gonna share some kisses this weekend.
Oh my goodness.
My goodness. And this is just the staff room. You can't go in there.
Yeah, and then the interesting and a part of this home. Come look here.
Push me open if you dare.
Only if you dare.
Oh my
You don't
goodness.
have to use it if you don't like
Things like
things
this.
that, like
Yeah.
50 Shades of Grey. You don't have to use it, but it's very interesting.
This is a way to elevate your marriage to the next level.
Yes,
Huh?
yeah.
But I'm not. I don't think I'm allowed to show this on YouTube, so I'll just quickly scan through
Yes,
quickly.
because the shower's in there.
Yeah, the shower. We just want to show them the shower. Yeah. All right, let's go.
Follow me to the shower.
My love.
Come on, don't be scared.
Okay, this just quickly. This is all everything that you can use. Big mirrors. It's actually very nice in here.
Very stylish.
Yeah, very stylish. All the benches and stuff you can use. But anyway, let's go past that. And
Yeah,
then this side,
is what you do here.
get naked.
Get naked to get into
Ek
the
en jy
shower.
naked. Ja, sê.
Naked, dan
Lekker
naked.
big shower, hè?
Big
Just-
shower.
This is quite nice.
Yeah, very nice.
Well, let's just hold this
There's a
for me,
bench.
please.
Ach, you
Is this?
easy.
No, what is this? What I think it is.
Oh my goodness.
Huh?
For
so,
me,
So I shower and,
And
you
I
get a
wash.
whoop. You get a whoop and you just whoop me.
whoop your ass.
Yes, baby. Yes.
Are you going to be naughty tonight,
I'm
then?
gonna be naughty in the naughty by nature.
You can sit if you want to shave your legs.
Look at this nice basin, my love. Huh? An oval, almost like an
Ooh,
oval
this
one.
black is beautiful.
Oh, I
I
know.
like the black.
You just got your black. Oh,
water.
it's dark in here. But I don't want to. Oh, there we go.
There
There's
you
a light.
go.
There's a
A
light.
nice mirror.
Oh.
Wow.
And there's body wash and conditioner
Body wash,
and everything in there.
everything, yeah.
Okay, my love. All this sexiness and naughtiness makes me a bit thirsty.
Yeah,
So
I know.
let's go and drink something.
We're not going to drink it in the naughty
The
corner.
naughty corner. Yay, puppy. Hey. Okay, let's do it. My love, this beautiful place must be celebrated with champagne.
Yeah.
Huh?
Ka-ching.
I've had the champagne on this ice for about half an hour, so it's nice and cold.
Okay.
Nice and cold.
Oh, yeah.
And we just had a rain shower again. I'm telling you, the rain just don't want to leave us alone.
This winter.
Ooh, it's nice and cold. This winter is terrible. We're not winter people. We like the summer and the sun and the sea and everything that's hot. Mama, but you look hot tonight.
Man,
Punta, punta, punta.
this place is doing things to you.
I'm telling you.
Pop it in the dam.
In the dam. Just
Yeah.
now I killed some fishes.
Oh! Hit the bass.
Hey!
Hey, not so close.
Jeez, it's close,
Nearly
huh?
there.
It's close. That's it.
Like a BC.
BC champagne, puppy. I'm looking forward to this. I got sweaty from carrying everything to the house, and then I cooled down a bit.
Meniscus.
Meniscus, puppy.
Wow, kom my. Jy mag nie 'n druppel mors hê nie.
And then I cooled down a bit while the rain was here, and now we're just gonna enjoy it. Azay,
Lekker,
cheers, my love.
lekker.
On a fantastic weekend.
Yes.
Looking forward to this.
I'm so excited.
Connecting with our souls, our body, and our mind.
Henny is getting better.
She was a little bit sick, so she's still not completely 100%, but we're gonna make the best of it.
99.
I'll say 90%. You've still got the coughs.
Okay.
Huh?
Yeah.
But anyway, cheers.
This is going to take the cough away.
The yeah, it will. Cheers on Naughty by Nature. Thank you, Carol, for inviting us to this amazing place of yours.
It is amazing.
I mean, we've been here for two and a half hours. We already love it. So
Yeah.
I can't wait for the next 2 days.
Yeah, there's so much to do. I can't wait for tomorrow to do all the interesting
I know
stuff.
you want to go on the dam with a paddleboard, but it's going to be cold.
I'm not so sure about that anymore. If they've got the heated pump in there, I'll get in.
Cheers. Let's take a sip.
Bubbles, bubbles. Lekker.
That's why that prop goes so far.
Yeah,
Yo, it's nice and bubbly, huh?
yeah, I like it.
Jeez, I love it a lot. Mama, and I've got good news.
I know. I just wanted to say,
I've got good news.
give them the good news.
I've got very good news.
It's for you again.
It's for you again. We're just giving away on this channel, huh? We're just giving away all the time. We got a third big bottle. Mama, can you
Magnum.
can you give it to? Must I?
Yeah, it's a bit heavy.
It's heavy for you, yeah. We've got a third Magnum bottle
Oh,
that we're gonna give away.
it's just not just a bottle. Look at all the stickers
Did you
again.
see there? There's 7 stickers
My
on there. Huh?
word.
7. That's crazy. This bottle is gonna be on one of your bar counters soon, within a month.
Yeah,
Yeah.
and we've got the surprise how we are going to give this bottle away.
Yes, we've got a special way of giving this bottle away
Yeah.
this time.
Let me just tell you, we are going to Kirkwood at the end of June.
Yeah, Kirkwood, the Wildsfeest.
Yes.
We're going to go there. Oh, and here comes the rain. We must talk quickly. So we're going to stay in PE, Gebega. Eh?
Oh.
And we thought, because we always get messages from everybody from PE say that, when are you coming to the Eastern Cape? When are you coming to PE? So we're coming there now. And we're going to hand this over to one of you guys from PE.
Personally.
Personally, yeah.
Yeah.
It was just raining like crazy now.
Yeah.
But anyway, I was saying, this bottle we're going to give away personally to somebody in PE. And there was just a big lightning. Did you
I
see
saw
it?
it.
It's going to go crazy just now.
Oh my goodness.
Woo, this winter, I'm telling you. We're going to be at Henny's in PE on the 26th of June.
Yeah.
It's the Friday evening. And
Between 6 and 7, we're going to be there.
That's it. Between 6 and 7, we're going to be there for an hour.
Yeah.
And 6:45, we're going to hand this out personally to somebody that's there. So
Yeah.
you have to be there
To receive this
meet
prize.
us, and then if there's only 2 people, if there's only 1 couple, you're going to get it.
Yeah.
If there's 20 couples, we've got a special way
He's
of giving
going
it
to
away.
blindfold me and I'm going to pick
My
somebody.
love, how fitting. I'm going to blindfold you.
Oh,
how
my
fitting, huh?
goodness.
And we're in a...
Naughty again.
Naughty again. We're naughty tonight. I'm going to blindfold you.
Oh, graciously.
So, yeah, we're looking forward to that. To meet you all, I hope many of you are going to come and say hi at
Yes.
Henny's. 26th of June at 6 o'clock. We're going to be there till 7. We have to leave 7 o'clock, unfortunately. So we can't eat there, but we're going to have a drink, definitely.
Yeah.
Maybe 4 in an hour's time. You never know. But we're looking forward to we see you there. My love, what a night. Huh? It's raining and then it's open. And it's raining and it's open. And it's
What
raining.
about the thunder?
And thunder and then there's nothing. And thunder and there was just thunder now again.
I know.
But at least I've got us covered.
Yes. What are you, Santam?
No, I just carry the umbrella around.
Yeah, like an umbrella boy.
Yeah, I'm an umbrella boy. Mama, thank you for this. This looks amazing once again, this platter.
It's a pleasure.
I just see meat. Woo, and I love it. I love it.
this meat.
I love it. And cheese
must
is...
eat.
Is this nice cheese? Huh?
The
one with
it's
the-
nie soos 'n koekie wat jy happy.
The one with the
Cranberries.
cranberries in it, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice. And you get one with figs as well. I want to do this first.
Test it.
Oh, kyk aan daai cranberries. And that cookie,
Ah.
the salty
Jy
crack.
weet presies wat jy wil hê.
It's nie 'n salty crack, dit is 'n
Bacon
bacon
kip.
kip, ja.
Ja.
That's it. Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers, my love.
Cheers.
We must fill up again. That cheese is freaking nice.
Nice.
Yeah. Oh my goodness.
Ooh.
Oh my goodness. Ach no,
down.
you still got so, ach no, really? Yes, it goes quick. What the hell? Are you drinking scallum?
Look in my eyes.
I can't remember that I drank all of that. I've got
Listen.
droewors in my hand and chips in my hand.
Oh,
And
you don't know what to take.
I just can't get everything in.
Oh, well, you know what time is it?
I don't know, 6:30.
I think it's time for a groot baas.
Groot baas.
Groot baas het gepraat.
Ek dink dit is tyd vir 'n groot baas, ja. Cheers, but we must finish this. Down this, now get us a groot baas. You're quick tonight, huh? Quick. Okay, time for a groot baas. And Monster or Coke?
Coke.
Coke. We're not going to do Monster today. I brought a Monster.
Yeah, it's okay. I think I've got enough energy.
I also feel like a Coke tonight.
Yeah.
Let's keep the Monster.
Yeah.
Okay.
We keep the Monster for the next person that buy a shout out. You must remember, guys,
Yeah.
we've got shout outs on our website. So if you want to do something special for somebody, buy a shout out.
A Father's Day special.
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah, there we go.
Yeah. What about we give back a 3-pack wine
For Father's Day.
for the
Mama,
first
we're giving away
person-
too much wine.
For the first person buying
A shout out.
a shout out for their father.
Let's do that.
Okay,
Did you hear that?
you on.
The first person that buy a shout out on our website for their father for Father's Day win a 3-pack
Or their
BC
husband.
wines.
Or their husband.
Or the husband.
Yeah.
Whoever.
If
the
you've got a
first
child,
person.
the child can buy it for the father.
Yeah, the first person. So hurry up. Mama, that's a great idea.
Yeah.
But now I want the groot baas.
Nou bring dit.
Okay, I'll bring it. Groot baas hy's op die tafel.
Mooi so, mooi so.
Are you going to crack it or must I crack
No,
it?
crack it. It's your job.
It's my job to crack
Ja,
it.
crack it.
Okay, let's crack. Noemzaan van Simonsvlei 3-year-old brandy. Here we go. Let's try it.
Hey.
Oh, I love the cracks of this. They crack very nicely. Whew, Mama, I'm going to pour myself a lekker stywe skiekie.
O my vrek, ek hoop nie my glas genoeg so lykie.
That's a monster on its own. Huh?
Ja, ja, ja.
Yeah, but I don't care.
Please.
I'm easy.
Please careful.
I'm
No,
a little bit more. Don't look
Yeah.
look at mine. Don't
I
look
know,
at mine
I know.
because this stuff is. I told the guys from. Yeah, there we go. It's half.
Ja.
I told the guys from Simonsvlei I'm gonna drink this stuff like it's cool drink.
And you are doing a good job.
I'm doing a good job.
Yeah.
So now, yeah, this one is gonna
This
be a
is like
sitterkie.
really half.
This is a sitterkie.
This is half now.
The people, I get so many comments or questions. What is a sitterkie? A
Yeah, don't you people know?
But I think it's the English people. They don't understand
But let
sitterkies.
them comment what they think a sitterkie is.
Yeah, but I'm going to tell them now. Yeah, it's lightning all
my
over here.
goodness.
I'm going to tell them a sitterkie is a dop like this.
Ja, hy maak vir jou sit.
It's going to make you sit.
Yeah.
After this dop, I'm going to sit. Just
And
for a
then
small
he's
bit.
gonna lie.
No. Just for a small while, and then I'll be up again. I'm going to sit
Till
for
the next one.
I'm going to sit for 30 seconds.
Oh goodness. Ja, you've got too much energy.
I'm telling you, I don't know what's going on. And this weather, it's raining, it's dripping all over. I just love it. I love it.
You love it.
I love it.
My
You know what?
word.
Other people will say, "Oh no,
Other people.
we're going to this nice place and it's raining. What must we do?" I just love it. Huh?
Other people.
Mama, you always make the best of a bad situation. Not that this is a bad situation. It's just a
rainy
It's
situation.
an uncomfortable situation.
Ja,
It's raining.
2 sittertjies later en jy gaan eens agterkom met
Papa,
reën.
een sittertjie, een
Dan
sittertjie.
weet jy nie eens nie. Dit op die prop.
Oeh, jette julle. Dankie Lizaan dat jy vandag 5 ure in die kar gery het saam met my tot hierso.
Ag, was net 'n plesier.
It was a long drive, but it was worth it. This
And
place
you make it
is
short.
just amazing. This place is,
Ja, it was worthwhile.
it's worth it. This place is
Ja.
ridiculous. Cheers. Op die groot baas. Noemzaan. Cheers. Yes, but it's lightning, huh?
Did you see that picture?
Yeah, it's crazy.
Somebody's got the flash on.
Oh my god, the paparazzi is here.
I'm worried, how are you going to get me from the hot tub to inside?
I'm gonna carry you
With what?
in the fetal position. Like a baby.
Okay.
I've been doing the baby thing for a long time now, 6 months, so I know I can carry you like a baby.
You can do it. Oh, you can do it.
Mama, it's time to make the food. Don't stop wasting time. Okay, I just want to mention this. She doesn't eat, and I'm sure you guys know it by now, she doesn't eat jalapeno poppers, but I asked for a jalapeno popper tonight. Am I going to be this side of you?
So he's only going to
I'm
get
this
one.
side, I'm that side.
Only getting one, you asked for one.
I just want one, yeah.
A
Because I
popper.
just had a hell of a, I almost wanted to say a brunch.
A platter.
A platter. Listen, if you didn't know this, we sell these jalapenos on our website. Up here, our website. It's very, very nice. This one is the whole jalapeno, that's why she can do that. But I want, in my other food that I'm gonna make, I want some sliced ones as well, so I've sliced it already. Mama, I come prepared.
Yeah, I see that.
Wat is nou myne? Wat is hier?
Myne is leeg. O, ek het net een bacon nodig.
So my love, tell me, that's the jalapeno. You cut it open, you take all the inside out.
Al die pips, ja.
Yeah, and you put cream cheese in it,
Ja.
and you wrap it with bacon.
Yes,
Look
but
at
I'm
that.
now thinking I must maybe just do this. It's a long bacon, so I'm going to do that.
Why? It's not
Because-
necessary. Are you
Yeah,
thinking of
the cheese is gonna run out.
Okay, but you've never closed it like that.
I know, but I'm now doing it because I don't want to lose you all your cheese.
You get cleverer as you go on.
Improvise.
As you go on, you get cleverer.
There you go.
Oh, maar that looks like a
That's a baby wrapped in a blanket.
lekker surprise
Listen,
pocket.
it's a baby wrapped in a blanket.
It's a
Looks
nice
like
baby.
it. Yeah.
My love, now the next. We've got another interesting dish that we're gonna make tonight for you guys. Well, not for you, for us, but you're gonna see it. Mama, oh, you've got it all ready for me.
Yay.
My goodness. Okay, let me start. I'm gonna put this all away now. That's the cream cheese. I'm just gonna take a happy with the jalapeno. Mama, look at this. My love, look at this. I take a jalapeno, I put it on the cream cheese, and I put it in my mouth.
Oh my word, you're
Oh.
gonna be sorry.
Nom, 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 nom.
You're gonna be so
Oh my
sorry.
God, I love it. Oh my goodness. Okay. So you take the mince. Mama, you're drinking my glass. Oh, sorry. I'm on the wrong glass. I just had a sip of yours.
Oh,
My love, I'm gonna start with this. Can you please bring me some more ice?
wat ys, ek dra alles aan en nog ys ook.
Ijs alsjeblieft. Right, here we go. You mince the mince. Like so. Get it all lekker mincy.
Wag, dit is koud jong. My hande
Is it koud?
vas. Aan die goed.
I can help you, but my hands are...
I'll do it. Woo, this is now
Okay,
like
then you
freezing.
you spice it. And I love this spice. This is just a normal marina. It's a braai spice. And then I take steak and chops. And you gooi it, Papa, you gooi it. If you can't see it, you can't taste it.
Oh my
My
jene.
love. And then, I just want to show them. These people from Plankie Steak.
Yes,
They've sent us samples. People, this is...
amazing
I will
sauce.
not lie to you. This stuff, look at this. Look at this.
Oh,
I'm
yeah,
gonna show
it
you.
is.
I'm gonna show you. Oh, this is a new one, so it's still.
He drinks all the bottles.
Look at this. Look, it's not a vodka or a gin or a brandy or a shot or anything. This is sauce that you put on your meat, actually
Yeah.
on a steak.
Not the marinating
What
sauce,
I-
the sauce afterwards.
But I love it so much. I put it in everything. On
Yeah.
my chicken, on my lamb, on everything.
On your
but
lips.
On my lips.
Oh, jene nee.
My love, I love this stuff. Oh my goodness. I don't know if this is better than brandy. I don't know. It's very close hoor. So you just gooi 'n lekker paar skiertjies
Oeh,
in
I
your
smell
mince
it.
and
I
you smell it. It's nice and garlic and garlicky, and I think that's why I like it.
Yeah.
It's because of the garlic. So plankie steak.
This is, let
your
me
mince.
just mention this again. This sauce is actually for meat that's cooked already.
Yeah, but I'm gonna cook this now.
I know, you do you. I just want to explain
I
to
do,
them how
yeah.
this works.
So that I-
you take your steak that's cooked already or fried or charred, whatever you like. Do this
You cut it,
in streaks and then you take this and you
put
throw
it on a
over the
plankie.
plankie.
You put it on the plankie and put it over, not on the plankie, you put it on the meat.
Yeah, yeah.
That
You
is
put
just-
it on the meat, but
That's what I mean. My love, you know what I mean.
I know exactly.
Jy gooi hom in die rou vleis en in die nat vleis.
Net waar jy wil.
Droë vleis? Nee.
You
Okay,
work
my love.
this meat, daar is sop se spat.
Yeah, now it's ready. It's ready. It's nice and mixed. Come on now.
Grab all the pieces. Meat is very expensive.
Sorry, I know you buy it, so yeah. There we go. And then, I'm sure by now you know we like bacon. We love bacon. So you take your bacon pieces. What is this, my love? This is streaky bacon.
Here's another one.
Oh, there's another one. I'm gonna put that one there, and we're gonna make many. I mean, I'm gonna have to use all of this.
Yes, because why? You must put
hungry.
it. Now let me show you.
Huh?
Wait.
Oh, I smell that plunky steak in here. My goodness.
Whew. Because you
I've got
and I
4.
could put them on the sticks.
Only
like
4.
societies.
Yeah, but I'm gonna put 3 on a stick.
Barm.
I'm gonna put 3 on a stick.
3.
Anyway, now
then you have to make-
Now you take this.
12.
Okay. Yeah, and you just roll it out. That
3
is
more
mine.
feet.
I'm just gonna. Yeah, I'll show them one.
What are you doing?
I'm gonna make this one a little bit smaller. There we go. You roll it, you roll it, you roll it. Look at that, look at that. I'm rolling it. That's it. Like
I
a roly
didn't want
poly.
a snake on mine.
I'm gonna give you a snake, but this snake the tail is a little bit small. Let's do it like that. That's it. And then you just press it like this. Pop.
You
Then-
sure about this?
Mama, and then I want more of this on it. I don't know if you want. Let me make mine.
Okay, make yours.
I'm gonna
first.
make mine.
Your
Mine is gonna be
special way.
first. Yeah.
Yes.
So I'm gonna put some jalapeno on.
I'm just wondering if this stuff is gonna roll. Like a roly-poly.
Yeah, I'm gonna roll it now.
Yeah, but do you think it's not too thick?
No, my love.
No, my love.
Mama, yeah. But anyway, then you just gooi it like this. You see, I love this, so I can just gooi a little bit more. Mama, this stuff is so nice. And then you just start rolling
Okay, let me see.
like
if
a
I can
roly
do
poly.
it.
I love. Look at that. You just roll it, roll it, roll it, roll it, roll it, roll it, roll it.
And then?
Azay.
And then?
And then you've got it like
It
that.
doesn't-
Look at that.
Fall out.
No.
Finish.
We just do it like this, and we take a thingamajig. Oh, there we go. Look at that.
Oh.
Now you make all of them.
It's actually quite pretty.
That's very, very
Yeah.
nice. And then you make all of them, and you put 3 on a stick.
3 on a stick.
So I'm gonna
okay?
get busy and do that.
Okay, so
Okay.
there's something
That's
you
it.
can put it in. If it's finished,
That's the
olive.
nice thing about you can take red peppers, green peppers, yellow peppers. You can add anything in here.
Yes.
I just like the jalapenos, but I mean you can add anything. You
What
can add
about-
in mushrooms if you
What
want.
about bananas? Bacon and banana.
Yeah, but bacon and banana goes well, but that's beef mince. I don't think it's gonna be lekker. But if
No,
that's
no.
if that
I
my love,
only mean just
if that-
bacon. I
if
mean
that-
just bacon and banana.
if that tickles your fancy. I mean we're in a
Hey.
tickled
Eh?
house, in a fancy house.
Listen, stop it.
This is a magical place, I must say. It's magic, 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 magic. I love it. Huh? But finally we're in the hot tub. Finally. It took us a long time.
Just at the right time. Look at the wind.
And
There's no wind.
No wind. But there
No
haven't
rain,
been wind this
no
whole
wind.
day. There's been storms, but there was no wind.
Yeah.
But Mama, look at the fire. I've lit the fire. Tonight you're eating early. Well, early
10.
11 maybe. But at least it's not 1 o'clock.
Thank you for that.
Yeah, I started early tonight. But there's lots of wood, so I can just
Oh my goodness, hy gaan nog steeds rek.
I can just add some more. Cheers. It's lekker hier saam met jou. Oh, look at all the steam, huh?
Yes, I see.
I feel like I'm in Jurassic Park.
Goodness.
Huh? With all the steam, it feels like mist. What is that movie?
Gorillas
in the
mist.
mist. I feel like a gorilla in the mist
Oh,
tonight.
then I must be your wife.
Did you see? I'm like almost on top of you tonight.
Hey?
Go and watch the other videos. It's always like you this side, I'm this side.
Oh, in the hot tub.
Yeah, no, tonight I'm like
Look
on
at
top of
this.
you.
That's
Huh?
very nice and cozy. I like it.
You took a while to understand what I'm
Yeah,
saying.
I don't know what's happening. It's Noemzaan, boer.
Noem aan, papa, groot baas. This is like next level. Mwah. I want to kiss you all over, baby.
Ooh.
How's that song?
Yeah.
Kiss me where my tattoo is. Or kiss me on my
me
tattoo.
on my tattoo.
Kiss me on my tattoo.
I love it when you kiss me.
I
on
love
my
it when you kiss me on my
Ja,
tattoo.
wie's dit?
I don't know, but I love it when you kiss me on my tattoo. Wow, my love, it's raining like crazy now, and the steam behind you is ridiculous.
Look at this.
Huh? I'm sitting in the rain, you know that. I'm just gonna move this way.
Come closer.
Cheers, my love. Rain, sunshine, wind, storms. We just do it together.
On top of it, yeah.
We do it together. I love it. Look at this. It's dropped. It's dripping on me here. Woo! It's dripping. It's dripping. Mama, I'm gonna sit in the rain now.
Move this side.
No, I want to sit in the rain.
Oh,
I can feel the rain on my lips.
is it energizing you?
It's energizing. It just feels amazing. And the steam is just crazy. You must see what I see from this side. With the light behind you.
I'm not
the
smoking.
steam is crazy. Woohoo! My love, we're in a storm, in a thunderstorm, huh? What an experience. Look at this. Look at all this water coming down there. Woo! Hello! I love it, I love it. Woo! Listen to that bass. Woo! 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 Lekker, huh? From romantic to exciting. I love it.
This is quite
Mama, your hair is going to mince.
It's already mincing.
Lekker.
But
And
this is quite wet.
I just put some. Oh my goodness, my fire just went down.
Oh no.
Oh
We're
my
just
goodness.
gonna have,
I just put new wood on the fire, now it's dead.
we're gonna have just dessert tonight. Tomorrow night we're gonna
No,
braai.
no, no, I'm gonna braai tonight in this
No,
rain.
Henny,
I'm just
no.
gonna take this umbrella at the back. I'm gonna take it to the braai place and I'm gonna braai. Mama, I didn't drive 5 hours to not have a great evening.
Oh, you can still have a great evening.
It's been great. You know what the time is? I just watched 10:30.
So why do you still want to braai? We can just have nice dessert.
Because I'm
in
hungry.
bed.
I'm hungry.
I'll feed you.
No, I wanna drive. Mama, but it's raining, look at this.
Yeah, I
There's a
think-
waterfall next to me.
Oh, because I think we must get in before this storm
This is
is
crazy.
too near to us.
Wow, just look at this picture, huh? This place is crazy. It's so beautiful. I've got the fire still going with my second batch of wood. It's almost done. I think we're gonna braai soon. Oh, and it's still thundering outside. And Mama is busy drying her hair. We just got out of the hot tub. She's busy drying her hair. My love, your hair is beautiful. Like you said the other day, it's a controlled mess. It's wet. Woo. I'm telling you, this evening is just turning out to be so nice. Yo, I'm gonna crop some kola here. I'm gonna start the braaiing process just now. My love, this is the most interesting grit. Huh? It's not like a normal roaster.
Looks like it's got two eyes.
It looks like it's got two eyes, and it's actually like a stainless steel plate that they just
Yeah.
make cutouts. Mama, I think this one.
The big one is yours.
I just want to make sure. Yeah, this is yours. Oh, listen to that sizzle. This is what they look like. Look at that. Oh, that one is just slipping down. But anyway, that is what they look like. Mama, I just want to twist that one, otherwise, that's it. Oh, this fire is hot. And my jalapeno popper.
I say.
It's supposed to be a hors d'oeuvre, but it's gonna be part of my mains. Because why?
Because we were in the hot tub too much, too long. Huh? My love, this thing is smoking now.
Wow, I'm just moving all around.
And we've got a garlic bread as well.
Yeah.
Like a garlic bread with extra cheese. Oh. Woo. Oh my goodness, look at this. Look at this. I think they're ready. I think it's all done. Look at that, how that cheese is melting. That's my jalapeno popper. Papi. I think I'm gonna take this off now. This is it. I think it's time to eat. Lekker. And I think the garlic bread is also ready. I'm gonna take this off. Ooh, it's hot. I'm gonna, whoop, that's it. Mama, let's do it, let's do it. Ooh, have you seen this stuff, my love?
It's like wheels.
You're gonna eat yourself to a standstill.
Dizzy.
Look at that, look at that. It's perfect. That's the one without the
Garlic.
Without the jalapenos.
Filipinos.
Yeah, I was looking for the jalapenos, and I see the jalapenos in this one.
Yeah, it's like
I
greenery
see it
all
there.
over.
Oh,
Good luck with
my
that.
goodness, Mama, it feels so romantic here. Can I open us some wine?
Yeah, please.
BC wines, puppy. What is this? Chenin Blanc. Ooh.
And
My
where
love.
do you get the Chenin Blanc?
I don't know. I just brought it. It was in my stash.
You can buy it on our website.
Oh.
50 and a bottle.
Oh, sorry. I'm not there yet. 52 rand.
Start
It went
doing
up.
it together.
It went up.
2 rand.
2 rand.
My goodness.
It's now 52. People, 52 rand.
Yeah.
BC wine, Chenin Blanc. Where can you buy white wine, red wine, any wine for 52
For
rand?
52 rand. No.
On our website.
Yeah, that's the thing.
Mama, the smell is driving
Yeah,
me
just
crazy.
get some food into your
Look
mouth.
at this. I just opened this bottle. This bottle is empty.
That shows you the
My love,
big amount of glasses.
The big glasses,
The
yeah.
big glasses.
Mama, we're gonna enjoy tonight's sleep. Because I'm sure if we go to that big bed, it's gonna be wonderful.
You don't know. I'm going to watch you for a half an hour through the mirrors.
The mirrors on at the top, yeah. Cheers, my love.
Cheers, Henny.
Cheers. Thank you for a great evening. It was really very nice. I enjoyed this evening. That was so
Very
nice.
nice,
That was
yeah.
so nice.
Now I need some food
Oh
in
my
my
goodness,
life.
this wine is nice.
I need some
Mama,
nutrition.
we're gonna have this. We've got some, and thank you very much for the salad.
It's
This salad she made last night,
It's another-
11 o'clock.
It's another noodle salad,
It's
but
a
I
noodle
made
salad,
it on my own.
but this one has got,
It's a special one.
I can see it, it's got everything in it. There's cheese in it, there's
Condensed milk.
condensed milk, there's tomatoes, there's,
Okay, remember there's another broodjie also.
I don't know, there's like komkommer. Look at that. You also want some, eh?
That's just the one.
Just
bit.
a one bit.
Oh,
like
it's
that.
a
I
big
know you
spoon,
eat like
thank
a
you very
mouse. I
much.
know you eat like a mouse. Oh my word. Oh my.
Now this is worth
Word.
waiting for.
Wow. I love that mince. It's so juicy and spicy.
Do you know what I taste? Can I tell you what I taste?
Tell me.
Blankie sauce.
Yeah, you taste it, huh? It is just, that's what it so makes it so nice.
Very nice flavor.
Yo. Cheers, my love. We say good night. And tomorrow, don't stop watching here. Keep on watching because tomorrow we're gonna have
A treasure hunt.
a treasure hunt and we're gonna have an interview with Carol, the owner of this
Magnificent.
magnificent house. She's an intimate expert. Did you hear me? An intimate expert. So she's gonna tell us all about.
It's just not, she studied for that.
Yeah, and she's been doing it for 12 years.
She's done a lot of courses in connection
So tomorrow
with
we're
this.
going to have an interview with her, so stay tuned for that one. But cheers tonight.
Interesting.
Yeah, it's going to be interesting. Mama,
Geen my wyn.
can you still do that? Cheers.
What the frick?
It was a nice evening. Thank you very much. We will see you tomorrow. Bye. Cheers. Good night.
Morning, my love.
Morning.
Huh? You had a lekker rest?
What a nice bed to
I'm
sleep
telling you, that bed is very comfortable. Huh? Yo.
Very high, but very nice.
Very high. Last night, I heard you when you went to the toilet.
I
you
nearly
fell off the
on
bed.
my face.
Yes, I heard that.
Yeah, it was very nice.
But you're looking fresh and beautiful this morning
Oh,
again.
thank you very much.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And today we're gonna do a
Yeah.
treasure hunt.
Yeah, I just wanted to say, don't make the winter boring. Eh? If it's raining, the weather is not good outside. Don't just sit at home. Find yourself an interesting place like this one, Naughty by Nature. I mean, if you've been here once, you will just elevate your whole marriage to a next level, and you'll be good to go for the whole of the winter.
You reckon?
I reckon.
For the whole of the winter?
Yeah. So
Oh,
now we're going to
goodness.
do something very interesting. We're going to do a treasure hunt. Show them how it works. This whole house has been operating with things like this.
Yeah, you
where
scan.
you scan the QR
I've just
codes.
done that. You scan
Yeah.
that code. You just scan that, and then that will take you to a site where you download the app.
Yes. And then,
And I've downloaded the app,
yeah.
and then it brings you to this screen. And you can read that for
I'll
us.
read this for you. Welcome to the Trail of Temptation. This is an invitation to explore, connect, flirt with the moment, and have a little fun along the way. You see, it's
Lekker,
very
lekker.
tempting.
Fun.
Yeah. Your journey will lead you through a series of locations. At each one, you'll discover a red box. This is the red box. The other ones is red emmertjies that they put on the, because the boxes, I think, didn't make it in the rain
yeah.
and the stuff. Okay, and then inside you'll find a problem to play with and a code to unlock what's next.
Yeah, you must put the code in there to get the next one.
Yes.
I saw that.
And then enter the code into the app and it will reveal your next stop.
Okay.
Yeah. Take your time. Lean into the moment and let the hunt surprise you. Oh my goodness, I can't wait.
That sounds exciting.
Yeah, let's go.
Okay, we're gonna start here.
Okay, so they say this is the first one.
Yeah, start there. Open
okay,
that
what must
one.
I do? Just lift it up.
Lift it up.
Lift it up. Okay, and then there's a card inside. I just must stand in the light. And it says, we must go sit on that couch. And then we must do this. This is the start.
Do I
Yeah,
also
you must sit
must
here.
I also know what to do?
Yeah, I'll tell you now. Now you must sit next to me, baby. Don't be scared. My goodness.
Yeah.
Now you put your hand on my heart and I put my hand on your heart.
Oh, okay.
Yeah?
Any hand.
Any hand you
Okay.
like. And now you breathe. Look into each other's eyes. And then you go walk. Find the next one. This is the beginning.
Oh, okay.
Did you feel it?
They ease you in.
Yeah, did you ease or are you a little bit shaky?
I'm eased, Papi. I'm
Okay,
eased.
come. On the card, there's a code 2403. So now you-
2403.
Yeah, now you just put it in onto this app
2403.
you've downloaded.
Oops, that's not there. Check.
Yes. And
Answer
then-
correct.
Yes.
Clue 2.
Now it's going to lead you to the next one.
What does it say? Oh, it's still a cloudy day today.
Yeah.
At least it's not raining. But we
Yeah.
were, look at that dark cloud there. We were hoping for a nice sunny day, but it's not going to happen. It's winter in Cape.
Yeah.
It's winter in the Cape, in the Western Cape.
They said clue 2.
Yeah?
Your hearts are warmed. Your connection is glowing. Let me see if you got a glow.
Glowing.
Oh, you've got the glow.
I've got a glow. I can
Okay.
feel it.
Now follow
I'm quite
where
nervous.
the scent of sizzling laughter and easy vibes fills the air. Something delicious awaits where fire and flavor meets. Question: does this shape remind you of something? Oh, we are the wrong one.
Yeah, we must go there. It's there.
No, where the fire and flame meets is by die braai.
Where the fire and flame meets. Oh, okay.
Does this shape remind you of something?
Oh.
You remember?
Oh, the shape of the
Shape
braai.
of the braai,
Mama, how
man.
stupid we can be,
Oh
huh?
my goodness.
Now you see, so you must read that clue first.
First, before
then-
you go. And
Yeah.
then you will know where
and
to
then you
go.
will know where to go. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so you open that.
This is such a nice idea. I'm going to do it at home for you. Okay, prompt 2 is, let's see if I can read it out loud. Yeah, that's still fine. We're gonna sit there at the bench down there.
Yeah.
So
So now what must we do now?
And you sit nice and closely to me, eh?
this is a close weekend.
Okay, now we're all together on the bench and they said, look into each other's eyes and describe your partner's scent. But here's the challenge. You're not allowed to use the words good or nice. Be as descriptive as you can.
I'm gonna whisper it to you.
Okay,
I don't want the whole world to know.
okay, that's a good one. I'll make it just normal.
Just normal.
Yeah, you're a hunk. You're a
Mama?
very good, lovable husband. I smell that in your scent. Clue 3. Let's read it. It's time to get a little wet and wild.
Oh, goodness, we're gonna swim.
Follow the call or where splashes live and reflections dance. Your next clue is waiting here. Water takes the lead.
I think it's
At
down
the
there.
dam, yeah.
Yeah,
Wet
at the
and
dam.
wild.
Yeah.
Where the reflections dance.
Yeah.
You see it?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, there it's
Yeah, on the pole there.
near the paddleboard and
That's
the
what I'm.
canoe
Yeah.
that you can use.
Yes, that was the clue.
Oh, I hope we're not going to go on this because it's a bit cold.
Not today, not today.
Let's just see.
Even if that card said I must go onto the water, it's
if you must skinny dip, it's not for
it's
today.
not going to happen today. Maybe skinny dipping, yeah.
I know you will fall for that. The desire stop. Ooh.
Ooh, stop here.
Yeah, desire is a whisper. Only those who truly listen can hear it.
Okay.
Okay. Take turns whispering one desire you've never said out loud
Ooh,
before.
this is just for me and you.
There is no fixing, no judging, only listening.
Mama?
When your partner finishes, respond with thank you for trusting me. Then swap roles.
My love, I'm
Your
nervous.
deepest desire.
I've got a deep one.
But I'm just going to tell you,
Oh, you're going to
this
tell?
is a personal one.
Yeah.
And we're going to whisper it to each other and nobody's going to know.
Yeah, nobody's going to know.
Yeah. And then, for the rest of it, you must come and stay here, book one night, come stay here and do your own treasure hunt.
Yeah, we just gave you a sample.
Just a
Of
sample.
what to
And
expect.
this is just the beginning. I'm sure you saw this on the video yesterday when we arrived. This is a very special box. And every guest that stay here get this as a present to take home. There's some
Interesting stuff in there.
interesting stuff inside that you can use
Yeah, as a couple.
as a couple. I'm not going to show you. You must come and look for yourself.
That's it, cheers.
Cheers.
We've got Carol here from Naughty by Nature, the owner of this amazing, amazing, amazing place. I must say, this place is just, from the minute you walk in here, it's just unreal.
Wow.
It's like, it talks to you, it speaks to you.
Yeah,
It's very, very nice, yeah.
Thank you so much.
We've got her here today to just answer a few questions of how she got to this and her life towards Naughty by Nature, yeah. Tell us all about it, how you got to doing this.
Okay, thanks so much for having me. So for me, Naughty by Nature is an absolute passion project. I used to be the girl that thought that I was a little bit broken and I wasn't really into intimacy. And then a little bit later in my life, I met my now husband, and all of these things just naturally started happening to me. And I needed to know more. I needed to become a detective of pleasure and figure out why is it that for so long I didn't really experience pleasure, and why is it possible for me to now have these amazing pleasurable experiences when it comes to intimacy and when it comes to being close within a partnership where you live in deep devotion to each other. And so in total, I ended up doing 12 courses, and things just got better and better and better. And eventually, friends started asking me about helping them out with their lives and their intimate lives. And so it kind of naturally progressed. And then I did 2 different one-year internships with big people in the industry. And eventually, my friend coaching business turned into a proper coaching business. And it kind of just evolved from there. Now, my husband and I absolutely love traveling, just like you guys do.
Yeah.
And we travel all over South Africa and all over the world, and we really couldn't find anything that does what was necessary for a couple to really slow down and be with each other in a way that is intentional.
Especially in this rushed life of ours.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
So I wanted to create a space for us first, and then also
So this was an experiment.
yes, absolutely, and then also for my clients, like where I could send my clients and they could have like a little relationship reset, because you don't know what you don't know. In South Africa especially, we grow up with a lot of taboo around sexuality
Definitely.
and intimacy, and you know, like I told you guys yesterday, who do you go and talk to about these things? So it's the blind leading the blind. We learn about intimacy from our peers, from porn and from Hollywood movies, which is completely the opposite of what it's supposed to be like. And once you implement just 2 or 3 tiny little things within your relationship, things will start to naturally shift for you. It's not even massive things. Like people think that it's these huge, big things that you need to do, and it's really not. It's small little connection practices and things that bring you closer together, slowing down, like really, really slowing down with each other, slowing down in the act of intimacy, breath work, all of these wonderful things. So for a woman to really be in the throes of ecstatic love making, she needs the opposite of what we have been taught to do. And I wanted to create a space where it's almost like coming for a little retreat for your relationship. Without
That's
you...
exactly what this is.
Yes.
Exactly.
You're saving a lot of marriages.
I have a lot of older people, specifically who come, who, you know, they might have been married 30 years, 40 years, once 50 years, where the woman has never achieved a big O, or, you know, it's few and far between, and they've had it, and they've had enough, and then lo and behold, after doing a program with me, they cannot keep their hands off of each other. She's more voracious than he is, and he can't keep up anymore. So the roles reverse, because she's being fed in a manner where she can open up and she can soften.
So you don't only have this place, you also give like courses.
Yes. So the big brand is called Consensuality, which stands for Conscious Sensual Sexuality. I'm all about living in deep devotion to your partner, one partner at a time, for as many years as possible.
Forever.
Forever and ever. Because
We
if
really
you
like that
are, if you're living in deep devotion towards each other and you're really interested in each other's pleasure and you will end up not being able to be without each other. You will end up not wanting anything else but each other, because there's this whole new realm of experiences that open up for you because of the fact that you are in deep devotion to each other.
Interesting. Very
So
interesting.
Consensuality is the big brand. I do courses, we do retreats here. So we do 3-day retreats, 5-day retreats, 7-day retreats, which is a little bit more guided. But the whole idea was that even if you don't come for a full-blown retreat, you arrive here and there are enough tools and things to
help and guide you, and
really
all
help
the
and guide you.
information you give us on the email. I mean, that we just went through that, and that was
And another nice touch in this house is all this QR codes you scan.
Yes.
I love that.
Yes.
Very
So
interesting.
there's all these like hidden little treasure hunts that you go on. And
Every drawer you open, there's something interesting in. I like
last
that.
night she opened her drawer. She said, "Come look here, come look here."
I wanted to be like, you know, something completely different to anywhere else you've ever been. So I want you to arrive here with just your luggage. If you forgot your cream or you forgot your tampons or you forgot something, like, you don't have to worry. There is
got them
something here.
sorted,
And then also you literally, there's something hidden or some sort of treasure that you're going to find wherever you go across the property.
That's very nice.
From the shower to the hot tub to the bed, everything has been very specifically
Selective,
designed to enhance intimacy and to bring you guys closer to each other. And then the education that I created was specifically so that you can take things home and have these different practices. So it's not just like a one-time thing.
Yeah, not just do it here, do it at home as
Yes.
well. Yeah.
So that it can actually enhance your life. So coming here is a mini retreat.
Yes.
But it's just not guided.
Well, we've got work to do, eh? We've got work to do.
And I told the people about this nice present you gave us.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
I told them
We
if you
didn't
get-
show them, but
yeah,
we.
but they must come and get their own present. Come visit and get your own present.
But we just want to say thank you very much
Oh, thank you
for
so much.
inviting us
Yeah.
to this amazing spot
It's
of
a
yours.
special place.
I mean, just the view. It is
Yeah.
just at the perfect spot.
But when you start walking on the path, you already get this feeling,
Yeah,
this nice
yeah.
warm feeling. So
No, it's amazing. I
it's
think
amazing when you see this. Then you come inside, then you're so flabbergasted, you don't know where to look.
you're
Very
in for a
nice.
treat. I think the people are gonna book this place. I think everybody should come and visit this
Now, if they're not
once in their
visiting,
life.
they're missing out.
Yeah,
Yes,
once in their
yes,
life, they must come and
absolutely.
do this.
Yeah.
This is
We're also
amazing.
planning on doing, in the portfolio, we've got 12 different properties planned. So the next one will be in Cape Town. And then we've got one coming up in the Kruger. And then...
I want to go do that one. I love the
Yes.
Kruger.
Let's get wild in the wild. I'm not sure what I'm going to call it. And then after that, we're doing Durban. So we're just doing the main hubs
so
first.
going all over the
And then we'll
country.
go from there. We also build and design playrooms. We also, all of the furniture is customizable. So if you see something or you use something that you love,
You can get one for your
you
home.
can get one for your home.
Okay, that's cool.
So, it's multifaceted.
What do you want?
I've got the long list.
I truly believe that if you are playful within your relationship and
That's
you
very
are
important.
open, there's nothing that you guys can't do together, right?
You must keep the flame alive.
Yes.
eh?
If, like, in the beginning of a relationship, we are so excited to be with each other and we both put in the work, we put in the work. Like, you're flirting like mad and you are going on dates and you
Slowly
are
it becomes less and less and
hunting
less
and hunting each other, and then, like, life sets in and we stop.
Yeah.
And in order to get good at anything in life, you need to put in time. So if you want to get good at your career, you put in 8 hours a day. If you want to get a hot body, you go to the gym and you put in an hour and a half a day.
Yeah.
But for relationships, for some or other reason, we think that it should just fall out of the sky on top of our heads and stay that way. And if you are a person and a couple who dedicate time each and every single day towards your relationship, then you're going to see what happens. You're going to get something
grow
that
old together.
you're going to grow all together. But it's not just going to be growing all together. It's going to be passionately growing
Yes.
all together. And I truly believe that intimacy is the glue that keeps relationships together. Studies have shown that you don't actually need that much in common with your partner. So long-term successful relationships have two things. And the first thing is that you are best friends. And the second thing
That's
is...
where we started as well, best friends.
And then the second thing is you prioritize intimacy. And when you do those two things, you're going to fly through life.
Yeah, and your children as well, because they see
Happy,
the
They see it,
happy,
yeah.
happy mom and dad
Yes.
has got a happy family life.
Yeah.
There's also studies have shown this,
True.
like
Yeah.
kids where daddy is devoted to mom and he's playful with mom and they have this banter and they're dancing in the kitchen and they're with each other and they're together intentionally. Those kids grow up thriving.
Yeah,
They grow up
and
thriving.
they also
Very
have
true.
a good marriage after that.
And
Yes.
they can teach their kids
From
to
the
be like that.
example,
Yeah.
yeah.
So it's an
Ongoing
ongoing thing, yeah.
You know what? It's boy belong. It's so important. I feel it's like the most important. It's almost like biblical work for me.
Yeah.
Is to make sure that couples learn how to be with each other in a way that is playful, that is devoted, that and the amazing thing is the more intimate you become and the more playful you become, the more it spills over into other areas of your life. So now all of a sudden your business is doing amazing. All of a sudden you're manifesting things into your life. Big business deals are coming in that you won't believe.
Open
it.
yourself
Also,
to success.
Yes.
Another thing is your friends and people you associate with, they want to be like you and your husband.
Yeah,
They-
so
they
you're a role
strive to do
model.
the same.
You're a
Yeah,
role model for
model.
people.
Yeah.
It's
Yeah,
a
that's
wonderful
normally
journey.
That's normally the first thing that goes in a marriage.
Yes.
Is that intimacy and that connection.
Yeah, because we're
get
just
so used to
sloughing
each other.
through. We're
Yeah.
going through. We're just going through the motions.
life, it's life.
It's busy. We've been busy all day. I'm tired. You're tired. Okay, so I say schedule it.
Yeah.
Schedule intimacy, and it doesn't sound
just
that
wham, bam.
sexy. It doesn't sound sexy to schedule it, but when you schedule it, you know in the beginning of the
time.
day. Listen, I've got to be there for my hubby tonight. He knows, he's going to get it. So you're already in the mindset of it,
Yeah.
right? And just because it's scheduled doesn't mean that you don't foreplay and you
Yeah.
don't do any of the most, the really, really important things.
Yeah.
It's just like we are making devoted time for each other. That if you don't schedule it, you'll just
Very
Schedule
important.
it and make every time something different.
Yes.
Think of new ideas because you know tonight's going to be
Yes.
the night, so you do this and you do that and all new ideas.
I'm so glad we came here. Huh? I see.
baie planne.
But anyway, thank you very much. Yeah.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Thank you so
and
much.
Good luck with your business.
Thank
and
you.
Okay.
Just one thing, tell us where the people can book and where they can watch you on which socials.
Okay, so we are on Facebook and Instagram under consensuality.hq.
I'll put it up here.
Thank you. And then you can also book directly through the website on www.consensuality.co.za.
That's right.
Okay. And she said that you can book one night, but it must be midweek.
Yeah, so for midweek, you can book single nights, and then on weekends, you've got to book
Whole weekend.
a double night. We also have optional add-ons like baskets and toys, and you can have a private chef come in and cook for you. You can have the massage ladies come in and do beautiful couples massages and manis and pedis and
Sounds like
facials
a
and all of that jazz.
Wow.
So you don't have to leave the property at all. You can literally just,
Yeah.
and it doesn't matter whether
Amazing.
it's raining or whether the sun is shining.
Yeah.
We had a great
You are
time
gonna
last
be
night.
busy.
We had a great time last night, even in the rain. It was crazy.
I mean, the hot tub is incredible.
Yeah,
It's
it was so
and
nice.
big.
Last night was so cool because it was cold outside and raining, but the steam.
Yeah.
And that steam makes
Yeah,
it so
yeah.
essential. We must stop now. I say cheers.
Okay, cheers, Julle.
Yes, thank you.
Oh, baby, I love your madness. It's so incredibly beautiful. Oh, you shine like gold, so selfless to all, and wild like an animal. Some would say I'm insane in the right and away, but I just love to play in your fun and your games. Always hungry for more, that's just how I was born. Take me somewhere I don't know and give me your freedom. Whoa.
Wow, what an amazing end to an amazing weekend. This was really one for the books. We will never forget this weekend. Sure. Beautiful, and the weather is so nice. I just lit the fire tonight. I'm lighting the fire while it's light, my love. It's still light outside and I'm lighting the fire.
That's good news.
Cheers! Oh, lekker. We're gonna have a lekker rustige braai tonight. And we're gonna sit in the bath later on. Oh, lekker. Bubble bath. Spa bath, yeah. Nice. Jeez, but I cannot get enough of this. This is so beautiful. Woo. Now tell me we haven't got a beautiful country. Tell me that. Oh, this is nice. Huh? Mama, give me a kiss. What a good end to a perfect weekend. Huh? Jeez. I feel so clean now. Mama,
I feel so relaxed.
listen, we're gonna have to put the jets off because this bubbles are
gonna run out the windows.
It's gonna run out. It's gonna go onto the carpet and everything. Just let me. Oh, you can't do it now.
I can do it.
Can you? Okay, just press that.
Look at my gown.
My
I've
goodness.
got the gown on.
I thought you can't, but there's so
Leave
much.
it.
Yeah, no,
Leave my
there's so much.
stuff
Yes.
alone.
This is heavy, huh?
It's like this one.
Oh, lekker. Last time we did this, we were in Thailand.
Oh yeah.
Remember?
Yes.
We blew the bubbles. Oh my goodness. Oh, lekker, julle. Life is good.
This
so
is one
good.
of the perks of this nice and naughty place. Naughty by nature.
Nature.
It's a big spa bath inside. And
Yes.
both can fit.
Romantic, huh?
Yeah, this is the nicest bath for you to fit in. You never fit
Romantic.
into
I
baths.
know.
Good morning, good morning. Wow, what a beautiful morning and what a view. This is just one of the most picturesque views that I've ever seen. Look at this. Wow, this is crazy, crazy, crazy beautiful. And yeah, I just want to share this with you this morning. Close to 7 o'clock, we got bad news that my nephew, Mornay de Jong, passed away on an early age of only 49. And yeah, views like this and days like this just makes you think back on your life and just make you think that life is so short and it can be taken away any day. So I want to please ask you people to live your life to the fullest. Live every day as if it's your last one. Stop chasing after success and money and trying to get rich. At the end of the day, that doesn't mean anything. I read something this morning. Somebody said, time is everything. It's not about the money that you're making, or it's not, everybody thinks that money enriches them, but it's actually the time that you spend with your loved ones that enrich your life. Sorry, I'm a little bit deep this morning, but yeah, things happen and things make you think about life and your life especially. Morning, my love.
Morning.
Oh, sad day, time to go, huh?
Yes.
Oh, this beautiful place. Tell us, how was your experience?
My first experience, the one word to describe it is wow. The moment when you get out of the car and you walk on this path, you get this magical ambiance around you.
You first see this view.
Yeah, when
Crazy,
you come around
yeah.
the corner and you see that view.
Yeah, oh.
Wow, this house was put together by an intimacy expert. She's done a lot of courses, so she knows exactly how to make it special. The moment when you walk into that house, you've got this relaxing, calming trust. I can't explain it.
It's a funny feeling,
It's
yeah.
a very funny feeling.
Yeah.
It's so magical, you don't want to leave.
Yeah.
There's so much to do, so much
To see.
to experience.
And all the information they give you. And
Yes.
if you try everything that they ask you to do with each other, mentally and physically, it's unreal. Huh?
Yeah.
I always knew that you were the one for me till the end. But I feel so much closer to you this weekend, after this weekend.
Yes.
Now I'm 100% sure we're going to make it to the end.
That is
Huh?
true.
Yeah.
So yeah, this place is, if you just married on honeymoon, come here and you will learn how to appreciate each other,
Yeah.
how to love each other.
It's amazing.
If you've been married for many years and you can't stand each other, come here and you leave here best pals, best lovers.
And there's many of you.
Yeah, and you'll rekindle that fire inside.
Oh, what the fire is
Fire
real,
is
huh?
blaming, is flaming.
The fire is real.
And the thing is, if you leave here, it's not like the fire that you leave the fire here. You take
You
it
take
with
it with
you.
you, yeah.
And then also, if you don't need help, or you don't
Think you need help.
just come here for a normal weekend or a weekday and experience this beautiful place.
Just
Sit
sitting
and
there
relax.
and watching this view.
Oh my
It is just
goodness.
next level.
Yeah, so
Oh,
it's for lots of kinds of people.
Yeah.
Everybody can come enjoy
yeah.
this.
So it was an amazing experience. This
Yeah.
was top 5 for us again.
Oh, yes, definitely,
Definitely. I almost want to say
definitely.
top 3.
Yeah.
This was
And
fantastic.
you never get bored. There's so much to do. You can do canoeing, paddle boarding. We didn't do it because I'm
weather.
a bit cold. There's treasure hunting. There's a lot of stuff. We don't want to give away all the secrets. Come and experience
That's
for
very
yourself.
nice, very nice. So yeah, thank you, you guys. Thank you for always watching our videos. We really appreciate it. Without you guys, we can't do this, and we can't go to all these places and experience what we just experienced this weekend.
Yeah.
This is amazing.
A luxury place.
It really makes you feel that you're living.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
But okay, thumbs up. Please remember to subscribe. You can like it as well. It
Yeah,
also helps.
and do
like
a comment.
and comment and subscribe. Yeah,
Yeah.
Do all of that. That will help us a lot. It doesn't cost you anything. It's going to take you a minute.
Yes.
So yeah, we will definitely see you on the next one.
Yeah,
Looking
Naughty
forward
by
to it.
Nature, you are great.
Fantastic. We'll come again.